Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, an Azure subscription and a global administrator account with MFA enabled. Open the Azure portal and navigate to Azure Active Directory. This is where you'll configure tenants and identities. Once done, register your custom domain under Custom Domain Names, then verify DNS by adding the TXT record at your registrar. This proves ownership. Make sure to upload the user list CSV for bulk imports, because that saves time versus adding users one by one. Next, create users and security groups, assigning roles and licenses as needed so permissions align with job functions. Configure conditional access policies to require MFA for risky sign-ins and for admins, because policy reduces breach risk. Then set up app registrations and enterprise applications for single sign-on. You'll choose SAML, OIDC, or password-based SSO depending on the app. Once configured, test sign-in flows with a non-admin user to validate claims and group-based access before wider rollout. Finish by enabling audit and sign-in logs, and install Azure AD Connect if synchronizing on-premises identities. Configure sync filters and verify initial sync status. You should validate conditional access, MFA, and SSO with representative users, and adjust claim rules or attribute mappings where access fails. If a problem appears, check sign-in logs and Azure AD Connect Health for sync errors and token failures. These give actionable error codes. Make sure to rerun sync after corrective changes to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.